Welcome to part 2 of our family adventure in Maine. This time it's all about the food. From a cozy trunk breakfast with ocean views to famous potato donuts from the Holy Donut to delicious fresh oysters and seafood feast at Roller Lobster. Join us as we eat, explore, and experience the best of Maine with our two little hungry travelers. Let's go! You have to pack, we're checking out.
Nothing in this room.
You ready to check out?
No!
This is breakfast. By the way, we're just like in the trunk of our car. This beautiful view of the water. Yeah, I got you a avocado toast. This is like not like any avocado toast I've ever seen. I just took a peek. Look, open it up.
I can't.
Isn't that amazing? Hash browns that they make in the restaurant. They're known for this stuff. Yum. Try it.
These biscuits are really cake.
Yeah? Oh, this is the traditional breakfast on a biscuit. And I got the same thing, but his has sausage, right? And mine has ham. And he's like loving it. He decided to join us in our little trunk breakfast. This is from Dutch's, and I found it on Yelp. It was like looking real good, but they don't have dine-in because of COVID, so everything's takeout. And we found this gorgeous park. I'm so excited to be here. You like the biscuits? The biscuit is yummy. Yes, delicious. You've had grits before. This cheesy grits. Yum. This avocado toast is incredible. It's the best avocado toast I've ever had. Kennedy didn't want it, so me and Etienne split it. So good. But you like the biscuit one better, right?
That biscuit was amazing. It was like cake. It was like cake.
I liked it, but I love this. Grayson, you driving us to get some donuts? Grayson, step on it. Yeah, put it on the GPS. That's right, yeah. And then drive. Oh, whoops. So we finally made it and it's closed. Sorry you're closed, but don't not worry. We will open tomorrow. Aww. We went to the second location now. This is open. I just placed my order here and waiting for it to come out. So here are our donuts, the famous potato donuts by the Holy Donut. Ta-da! Oh my god, what flavors did I get? I don't see any crazy reaction. Okay. That's alright. Alright, take another bite of another one.
I like this not too sweet.
Okay. Yeah?
I can't tell that they're potato.
So if you didn't know it's potato, you think it's a regular donut?
Yeah.
Just less sweet?
Yeah. It's nice flavors.
We're in our second hotel. We're in Portland. And our second hotel, this is Residence Inn by Marriott. Cute. Little kitchenette.
Cute. Now we have a refrigerator.
We had a refrigerator in the other room.
No.
Yeah, you didn't see it. I saw it. Look at that. You have a whole bed right next to us. Kennedy's bed. Our bed.
Come here.
Cute. Not much of a view.
Oh, these are hard.
Yep.
It's all good.
We're gonna sleep.
Alright, nap time. You would love that, wouldn't you? We've been walking around kind of aimlessly, not knowing what to do. We're trying to figure out, maybe we'll find some sort of tour to go on, like a cruise or trolley, but we're having no luck finding anything really. And the couple of things that I did find, they're all booked, so that doesn't leave us with much. And so we're just like walking around. It's a beautiful day, so I'm sure we'll come up with something. Kennedy, you want to eat our donuts?
No.
What? I gave up on looking for a cute place to sit down, although I'm sure there's like a bunch of benches. I'm gonna finally try these donuts. This is the sea salt one. Oh, yummy.
Okay. I bet you she cannot even eat half of it.
That's huge. Okay. So, toasted coconut. Yummy. We don't want chocolate with cinnamon sugar something. You're not keeping me. I think this is my least favorite. We made a pit stop for oysters.
You're a cutie! You're a cutie! Don't say no! You're a cutie!
What did we decide on?
Hey, what kind of oysters do you have today?
They're Norumbega oysters from the Damariscotta River, so they're $3.
They are kind of pretty, huh? They look very crisp.
Thank you. I'm used to the really ugly barnacle looking ones.
Yeah,
These are like pretty.
yeah. That's what happens when you don't finish your breakfast, huh? You get hungry real quick.
We never had prawns with oysters in Puerto Rico. Maybe we should do oysters here.
I guess I could try.
This is good.
My first oyster in Maine and in a long time.
You never ever tried one in a long time?
So good. Did you try one yet?
Yeah.
So yummy.
Oh.
Oh, look at these waffle fries.
I think I want more hot sauce.
Good? Yummy.
I will have some oyster in my hot sauce.
It's like, can't even see it. Delicious.
Here, eat your hands. Good. Oh, you want dessert. He wants his feet as dessert. Yeah? Yeah? No? Good job. Yes? No. Yes? No. Good job, Reason.
We're back at wandering around aimlessly. It's exactly how I feel, Grayson. It's beautiful though. It's beautiful. We were gonna get a whale watching cruise from one of these places, but they're all full for the next couple of days, and we didn't plan in time, so we're scrambling. That's okay. There's still a ton of lighthouses and beaches to look at if we want. We should just go to somewhere else. So we're picking a little souvenir for ourselves. These are bobby pins that also can double as a bookmark. So cute. We are about to eat dinner. So this is Roller Lobster. And I'm gonna get my lobster fix right now. She wants to pee. She's hungry. She's tired.
No,
She's
not
great.
tired.
No. What's that drink?
It's called something.
It's called something. It has a cherry on it and it's cold. The oysters are here.
Yay!
They're local oysters.
We're gonna have a great dinner.
Yep. What is this foot on the table, huh? What is that?
Not my first ever time.
No. Far from it at this point. Why don't you have it with a hot sauce? No.
Lollipops.
Oh, thank you so much.
Whoa, whoa,
Whoa.
I'm gonna die.
You're gonna die. There's like also these dipping sauces for the lobster if you want. Alright, my time has come. I gotta say, that was the best lobster roll I've ever had. It was the only one I've ever had, but it was really good. Grayson is downing that lemon like a boss. No reaction whatsoever. It's like it's not even sour. Good morning. This is so not us. Whose life is this? This is our last day in Maine. What happened? What happened?
We're gonna be here tomorrow.
No, we're not. We're leaving tonight. Grayson, you put in luggage. We're back at the park that we went to yesterday. We're gonna basically redo yesterday. We're gonna eat out here. We got Dutch's again. Etienne bought a bunch of stuff. And our view is spectacular. Get that food out. Lobster pants. My breakfast. I got bagel with lox, I think. Yep. Yay, so excited. Kennedy got jelly toast.
This
Wow,
is
that
their
looks
blueberries.
yummy.
Guess what?
What?
I got a whole bottle of it.
Did you? Amazing. I got a dozen donuts from the Holy Donut. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Incredible. We had to go to the second location again because the first one was closed. It's not all for us, so we're gonna give some out to some family and friends back home. You want one? I'll give you one. This is the best lox bagel I've had in my life. It has capers, onions. Oh my god, it's amazing. So good. Did you just have some milk? We made it to Bug Light Park. We're gonna walk to that little tiny little itty bitty lighthouse. Take some pictures. guy keeps throwing his blanket off.
Reminds me of Lake George.
You have reached your destination.
We just made a stop at Algonquin Beach. So pretty. Very touristy. Here it is. Lots of shops and restaurants and inns. The tide is coming in. The water's getting closer to me. We've been promising Kennedy ice cream for a while now. And it's time to get this girl some ice cream already. The ice cream house. This is a happy kid. Thank you. We're headed home and I'm so happy with this trip. We were just there for 4 days, 3 nights, and it was amazing. And we'll definitely be back. He's giving me his food. Did you finish your food? No?
We'll be back tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. A horn for Louis Armstrong. We picked up a bunch of books on the way to Maine from the library. He has a lot to say about it. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and don't miss our next adventure.